nice Chevelle we just found on the side of the road for sale, so let's check it out. I thought it'd be a big block, to tell you the truth. But this looks like it's a 350 in here. He said it ran. He said it ran a couple of years ago, but it hasn't ran since, and he just doesn't have time because he has all these other projects. Got some letters going on. Got a little bit of rust, just a little bit. And you can see where the vinyl top was before. The insides, the floorboards are looking a little bit rusted through. Oh, looks great. It's mint. Original wheels. Alright, so we just looked at the Chevelle. It was pretty rusted out. I haven't really seen anything that rusty before. I'm not sure if it's worth saving. The guy wants $3,500 for it, and it has a 350 that used to run at one time, but it hasn't been running since '97. He just said he had too many projects for it. So I'm really not sure if I want to do something like that or not. I'm into patina, but that's a little bit like Swiss cheese patina. So we'll keep on looking around.